When I first saw you, you were so lovely that every girl would envy. That thrill you give me was only meant for me. So please, my love, don't